Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch screen from 2 CCFL to our UB54 series LED kits. This kit comes with the 2 LED strips, 1 LED driver, 1 wire connectors, and coupled aluminum foils. So let's set this aside for the LCD kit for a second. Take a look at the screen. This screen is made by Sharp. The screen part number is LQ10D421. Again, LQ10D421. This screen is quite popular. It's using a TTL interface. Have 2 lamps. In order to remove the lamp, it's really easy. Inside, I'm not sure you can see it or not. Let me see this side. Inside, there's a small plastic clip. You can push it down and pull it out. I'll show you here. Push it down. There we go. One. This one, do the same thing. Push it down. Okay, let me see here. Here we go. Okay. Pull out. Let's take a UB54 series. So this thing is not going to fit in. It's plastic reflector, so it's set aside. So in order to do that, we had to take this one out. But before we install, we would like to test the LED strip first and make sure it's okay. But don't worry about it. When you purchase this kit, we always test it before we ship it out. So just test it. Dip switch already set. Okay, maybe it's it. So let me set aside. Here. Okay. In order to install it, we have to remove this metal plate. Okay. So this is clip here. You need string. This metal clips all around. You can use this one. Just push it out. This is what I meant. This plates. Okay. You can use a long nose if you want to. Okay. Next, we have to remove the screws. The screw already we remove. Okay, there's 3 more on this side. Okay. So after we remove, look real carefully. Oh, this clip was not in the way, so just remove it like this. See this? So let's clean it. Now it's all clean. So the strip's supposed to mount like this in the middle of the plexiglass. Alright, it's easy. We already tested a strip. So take it out. That's good. Just push it down and make sure it sticks to a plastic film very well. Okay. This side's done. We do the other side. Repeat this exact same procedure. Peel off this double side tip. Alright. Kinda. Yep. Alright. Stick to the. This thing was in the way, so I had to cut it. Let me get it cut. So on this side, there's a clip plastic. I want you to see it. This doesn't have it. We need to cut this off. So, okay. So when we cut off, we can all the way push it back here. So that's it. Very good. Make sure it's clean. Okay. Now we need to put back the metal cover. Alright. Okay, just put back the screw. Oops. Okay, it's tiny, the screw so tiny. So there's no rush. Okay. Now you can just use this to bend it, or just have a long nose here, just a long nose. Bend it back, make sure a okay. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to secure the wires by using two of the tips. Okay, do the same thing on the other end. Okay, now you see this is almost done. We're going to put a aluminum to cover it. So this is a little bit long. I don't need that long. I just peel it off halfway. If you don't cover, you're going to see the light splitting out. Do the same thing on the other end. That's it. How easy is that? It's finished. And all you need to do is just connect this end to here. This end here. Okay. And that's it. We also have a controller kit too available. So you can purchase online. Alright. Thank you for watching.